And then I took my dogs out for a walk with me too. And my cat, she got really angry when the dogs came back. And then I drove here, and my dogs are gone. I'm kidding, no they aren't. They're at my house. And my babysitter, my dog sitter and my cat sitter are watching them. So yeah, that's my day so far. Welcome back, K-Homies.
Welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing Nail Addict sent us some nail polish. It's gel nail polish. It's a company based out of LA. They are vegan free, 9 free, cruelty free. And they sent us all these beautiful colors. We did order the remover, and we ordered the base and the top. So just to make sure that it's all right, go check out their website. They also sell now for gel nail polishes. You need a UV light. This one we got off of Amazon, but LA Nails does sell their own. They've got over 100 colors, so go check them out. We're gonna show you all the colors today that we picked out. I am going, as you can see right now, I already put the base coat.
Me too.
Alexa put her base coat on. It's very shiny. Honestly, I feel like I can just go out like this too.
Yeah.
But anyways, so which colors are you gonna do?
I'm gonna do moon, lick, and nectar.
Awesome. And I will be super adventurous, and I'm gonna show you guys all of the colors on each finger. I am going to use a different color, so I'm actually going to use some of those as well, and we're going to add some accent nails with the sparklies. Okay,
you mean pixie dust?
Yes,
pixie dust.
Yeah, pixie dust. Okay,
pixie dust.
And we are going to, since we already applied the base coat, we're going to leave this top coat out. Okay, and then this is the remover. So they actually also have a remover, which we bought.
Is the remover, it's like when you put it on and then it's easy to take off? Like
yes, I'm assuming so.
Because I don't know what a remover
Oh yeah,
is.
look, the consistency is a little thick.
Oh, wow.
But, actually we have to shake them up. So make sure before you try on your gel nail polish, you have to shake them up very well. Okay, and so if you use the base, they're claiming that it will last up to, I think, 4 weeks. Okay, so now that you guys saw my arms jiggle. Okay, so let's go on ahead and turn our UV light on. Okay, and let's go right in. Okay, so I am going to do my pinky. Let's make these try to look pretty for you guys over here.
I think what I'm going to do all of these nectar except for this one.
Okay.
I'm going to do this one.
That'll be fun. Okay.
I like doing that.
And then look how cute that you can actually see the colors up top that you will be applying. So that's the color that I'm applying.
Oh, wow.
Yes, I love that one.
I can't open mine. It's like stuck.
Don't forget to shake them up.
Yeah, I shook them.
Okay. There we go. Did I shake this one? I can't recall. Okay, so we're gonna shake. All right.
Shake it.
We're good. Okay. And these already, you know, when you get gel nail polishes, sometimes they're very thin. At least that's been my experience. These ones I like because they are very pigmented. They're thick, so it's not, you know, you don't have to put a million layers of it on. Okay, and then you cure it in the light for about 30 seconds.
Oh, actually it's doing it.
And see what I mean? It's not like thin like a lot of the gel nail polishes that I have tried. So that's great. And then the colors are so pretty.
Yeah.
And then I am going to do, can I use Moonlit?
Moonlit.
Thank you. So I'm going to apply them first and then cure them.
And guys, make sure if you use this nail polish, make sure you don't blow on it. Make sure you have one of these to do it. If you don't, they
will not dry.
Yeah, they will not dry. You cannot blow on it because I don't know how that will work out because I've never tried it.
Yeah, because it's...
I do this.
It's not your average nail polish. It's not your regular nail polish. It's gel nail polish, so... We were actually... Dad Kay and I were in LA about a month ago. We went to Disneyland. Go check out that video.
And they did a couple of separate videos of them riding the rides. So.
Okay, which one am I going to do on this hand? I am going to do...
You can try nectar.
Yes, I am going to try nectar. I have all of them over here. I'm hogging them all.
It's okay.
Which one?
The next one I'm going to use is...
Moonlit?
Yeah, Moonlit.
Awesome. So after I paint this hand, I'm going to cure them for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to go in with the second coat and then finish it off with a top coat. Now on this hand, yeah, it turned off. So on this other hand, I'm going to do the exact same colors, kind of mirrored, I guess you can say. Do you need to cure yours? Do you need to cure yours?
No, I need the nectar.
Oh, okay, sorry.
It's okay.
Sorry. There you go.
I thought you were going to put nectar on again. I'm like, didn't you already put on nectar?
Yes, sweetie? You want your nails... Well, you want to go night-night or you want to get your nails done? Now, because these are all natural, if she will hold good underneath the UV light, I can probably do her nails with that as well.
Mama.
Yes? You want to go night-night?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, give me a second, okay? All right. And
She calls going to sleep night.
Yes. She wants to get up here too. Yesterday was her birthday.
If you do have one of these and you do have nail addicts based on LA, make sure you hold it under there for 30 seconds.
I'm really messy. And this is with my right hand. I'm right-handed. Okay. So we are good with that. Are you done curing? Okay, so on my thumb here, I have Best of Summer.
Ooh.
This is just the first, what do you call it? The first coat. So I will be going in with the second coat. And then on my index finger, I have Sparkles. And then on my middle finger there, I have Nectar.
Yeah, nectar.
And then on my ring finger right there, I have Moonlit. And then on my pinky, I have Flamingo. So all beautiful colors. Now I'm going to let them cure underneath the light for about 30 seconds. And it's nice to do your own nails. Sometimes it's a little therapeutic. So, and then especially with that UV light, it gives you very much like a spa-like feel in your home. So, are you enjoying this?
Yeah. It's fun.
Yes. The curing with this specific one that we have is taking a little bit longer. I don't know if Nail Addicts LA, because I know that they sell some UV lights as well. I don't know if theirs might be stronger, so you might want to try that out. By the way, you guys, they did give us a 45% off just for you guys, and we will link that down below with the code K. All right, so go in there and get your nail polishes, gel nail polishes. All right. Okay, so
it's 45% off.
45% off. I mean, goodness. Oh, and by the way, I did want to read you guys how they started. All right. Nail Addict is LA born because of our strong belief in power and beauty. Yes. All right. We want to help all women and male building their confidence, no matter who they are, where they're from, by giving them their best for their nails. So I love that. The price for each nail polish. If you go and get this nail polish with our 45, actually it was 45% off, goodness. So it should be under like $11. So.
What if AJ does this for
Look at
us
that.
on his left hand?
Good with that. All right, and I think I am ready for my top coat. Let me fix these for you guys. The top coat. All right. You guys like our music in the background? It's Lala over there living her best life, jumping on the couch. Hey, no silly monkeys jumping on the couch. Okay. Now I'm ready for. We got monsters living here too, guys. I'm getting really messy over here. Hey, guys.
It's hard to do with your other
I
hand.
am very messy over here. Guys, really.
You should see my nails.
Really
this
messy.
is horrible.
I dried that one all along. Okay. Guys, it's... Oh, look at you. Can I borrow your... Yeah, so that top coat is kind of leaking a little bit.
This is horrible.
This is a lot of fun. I will show you guys. Is that weird?
Yeah, it looks disgusting. It looks like you're peeling off your skin.
It's just the nail.
I know.
Because I cured it. That's what's cool is that it kind of hardens up. It gives you that like almost that acrylic. You know when you or shellac when you go get your nails done, but shellac is a bit pricey. And here you can get something similar at home. I will say I love these nail polish. I did love these nail polishes, so go check them out. And like I said, get your 45% off. We'll link it down below with the code K. All right. We hope you guys enjoyed our video. Bree's over there cleaning up her nails.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
Yes, like and subscribe and give us a big thumbs up.
I can barely do a thumbs up.
Yeah, do a thumbs up. Here's our end results. All right. I mean, all these colors are so beautiful, but go check them out. They have over 100 colors. So whatever color you're looking for, I'm sure they have. They've got a cute little website that we'll link down below. We hope you enjoyed our video. As always, remember, keep your chin up, never give up. Thanks for watching. Bye. Oh, also like, subscribe, and give us a thumbs up. Okay. See you guys in the
notification bell.
Yes, and see you guys in our next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.